Hello, Luke here. Welcome back to the BodyWell Kitchen, where today I'm going to be showing you a little bit of a healthier alternative to your normal store-bought ice cream by showing you how to make a simple 2-ingredient ice cream by yourself. And all you need is bananas and you need cocoa powder. But today, instead of using actual cocoa powder, I'm going to be using a protein powder mix. This one is actually one you can get from BodyWell itself. This is our Greens Plus shake. This is chocolate flavor, and this is going to be a great alternative to using that. It just gives it that little bit of an extra protein kick, makes it that little bit more, I should say a little bit healthier, if you can have a healthier ice cream. But yeah, let's get into it and I'll show you how to do it. So first things first is we're going to want to freeze your bananas. Now I use 5 in this recipe that we've got here. You basically chop them up into 1-inch chunks first before you freeze them, because it just protects your blender. Because if you put a whole frozen banana in with that blender, it might do it a bit of damage. So if you chop them up into easy manageable 1-inch chunks, place them onto your chopping board and then place them into the freezer so that when they're frozen in about 2 or 3 hours time, you can go straight into it. And here's ones that I've already prepared. Thank you very much. And I'm just going to place these into the blender. Okay, we are filled up, so I'm going to place it on top of the blender and give it a good blend. Okay, so when you get it to that kind of thick, creamy consistency, then you start adding your powder. So you want to go ahead and add just 1 scoopful into the top of the mix here. And then place it back into the blending and get blending again. Here we go. If you want to make it that little bit more creamy, then you can always add just a splash of almond milk to the mixture just to give it that little bit more of a creamy texture. Okay, I think we're there. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that. That looks so yummy. Right, if you are, when you're blending this, if you do have a little bit of trouble getting the bananas to actually mix up, it might just be the bananas are just still too frozen, so you might just give it a little bit of time to melt. But that is looking pretty good. Let's dish it up. And there you have it. A very easy alternative to store-bought, unhealthy, sugar-filled ice creams when you can make this 2-ingredient, easy banana and chocolate ice cream. I've garnished it with obviously bananas, but you can put whatever you want on it. Yeah, we'll give it a taste and we'll see if it's any good. I hope so. Oh yeah, that's amazing. Well, there you go. Banana and chocolate ice cream for the best of health.